Since the adoption of the Paris Agreement on Climate Change in 2015, temperatures in the SADC region have gone up by 2 degrees Celsius. Associate Program Officer of Science and Review Adaptation, Walter Tuboa, says it is projected that by 2030, floods in the region will increase with an additional of 2 days and drought with 15 more days. Tuboa explained that this can have a serious impact on SADC's economy.
If you think about the importance of agriculture in our economy, the number of people that it employs, and how we're dependent on it for our daily subsistence, and then you think about water, you can see why governments are basically saying that we want to make sure that these sectors are our primary areas of focus.
He also revealed that nearly 44 African countries out of the Paris Agreement signatories are more worried over the increase of extreme weather patterns. He warned that Namibia's temperature has gone up with 1.3 degrees Celsius.
I took the two examples. I just ran this by myself, picking Canada and Namibia. And you can see that there is actually a very strong chance that on a per capita basis, the GDP per capita for Namibia is very vulnerable. But if you see the GDP per capita for Canada, you would see that is very, very strong, which means that as temperatures will be going up, Canada will have limited impact on its GDP per capita, but Namibia has a very strong chance because it's not very, very resilient.
But all hope is not lost if countries put in sufficient amount of effort in ensuring the implementation of mitigation and adaptation strategies as outlined in their national determination contributions to the Paris Agreement.
There is a lot of lack of data in the African continent. So one of the things that we need to intensify our activities on is generating data, so monitoring, measuring our temperature and reporting it at the international level.
Tuboa added that governments alone could not drive these NDC agendas and calls for the involvement of the private sector and civil society organizations.